Got any idea what this is?
It's under a microscope. Can you guess?
This white stuff is different from this stuff and that thing. What do you think that is?
Can I tell them what that part is?
Go ahead.
That right there, that yellowish shade, that is hair.
Yes. And then the white stuff, what do you think? Any clues? All right, keep following because we're gonna do some more investigating of some other things, get really close look of reality in the microscopic realm.